boring.
What?
I'm so bored.
Yeah? Go read a book.
I read a book already.
Well, go do some maths.
You know, it's so much.
What is going on in here? Who did this? Who did this? Jesus have mercy.
You're running away, Chloe. You can't even feed yourself. You'll be back in like 2 minutes. All right, well, fine then. Go. I don't even care.
Split in the middle, make the two toys jiggle, type on a table, my girl, I know you able, split in the middle, make the two toys jiggle, type on a table, my girl, I know you able, control bombarded,
That's the only way. Miss Cosgrove, wild night last night, huh, Miss Cosgrove? Listen, try to stay with us for the class. This is money. You know, you don't want to waste your money. Speaking of money, the economic structure that was set up and put in place in the United States after the Industrial Revolution became a kind of, what's the word, Miss Cosgrove. Miss Cosgrove, wow, wild nights. Man, did you go to sleep at all? We in here watching you sleep. I see you laughing, but I don't even think you know what the hell I'm talking about at this point. All right, hang in there, Miss Cosgrove. We got a lot to go through.